What's up everyone? I'm Jordan and I'm here in the Harley-Davidson garage. Today I'm going to show you the Freecom 2X headset. Developed in partnership with Cardo, the leader in wireless communication systems, the Harley-Davidson Freecom 2X headset features 40mm JBL speakers for outstanding sound quality and the latest Bluetooth 5.2 connection technology. The Bluetooth 5.2 pairs with any other Bluetooth intercom headset and also has auto-reconnect. This Cardo kit features some Harley-Davidson exclusives, such as voice-operated exchange, or VOX, functionally between rider and passenger, integrated vehicle volume control with headset control, and the HD headsets leverage A2DP protocol to provide superior wideband communication for improved call quality and enhanced voice recognition experience. Natural voice operation allows for "Hey Cardo" functionality instead of using buttons, and the automatic volume control can adjust your volume level based on ambient noise. The unique roller wheel interface and control panel allows for intuitive operation. The charging time is up to 2 hours for a full charge. However, it also has fast charging, which allows for 2 hours of talk time after only 20 minutes of charging. On a full charge, you can get up to 13 hours of talk time and 10 days on standby. Along with all of those incredible features, the Freecom 2X is also waterproof, which allows for all-weather communication while riding. And the 40mm JBL speakers provide unparalleled sound. The Cardo Connect app is compatible with both iOS and Android. The headset is also easy to pair with the new Harley-Davidson Skyline OS infotainment system. This kit fits most Harley-Davidson full-face and three-quarter helmets and can be compatible with half helmets with the separate purchase of the Freecom line half helmet kit. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. I'm Jordan, and I'll see you again next time.